Valutrades. Welcome back, traders. Are you new to trading and perhaps getting a bit confused by your new Metatrader 4 MT4 platform? Valutrades is happy to help you with this quick overview on MT4 charts and indicators. Our first suggestion to any new trader is to create an easy-to-view default chart template with no indicators. At first, MT4 looks like this. Let's start by deleting all charts except one. Right-click on the chart and select Properties. Change the background to white and the foreground to black. Change the bull candles and bars to green and the bear candles and bars to red. Right-click again and select Indicators List and delete everything you see. Now, right-click and select Template, Save Template, and type the word Default and save. To open a new chart, you may use the Create a New Chart icon and select an instrument from the drop-down list. You will note that the new chart looks just like the default that you saved. You may also open charts through Market Watch. Make sure that you right-click and select Show All to see all the symbols offered by Valutrades. You may select a symbol, drag and drop it onto an existing chart, and that symbol will replace the original one on the chart. Another option is to right-click on a Market Watch symbol and select Chart Window. You will see in the tabs below that you have more than one active chart. Click on the Tile Windows icon and you will see all the charts in one window. You may manipulate any chart by clicking and dragging. To add an indicator to any chart, you may select the menu item, Insert and Indicators, and select one. Alternatively, the Indicators icon has the same list and you can see the indicator appear on the chart. Some indicators, like oscillators, appear below the chart, and these can be selected in the same way. MT4 has many graphic tools as well, like the horizontal line, which can be selected from the toolbar. If you want to modify any graphic tool, simply double-click and small boxes will appear. The trend line can be drawn and modified in the same way. Once you see the small boxes, you may right-click, select Properties, and any item can be modified by color or thickness. Thanks for watching. More details on MT4 will be available in other videos in the Valutrades library, and you can find our FAQ page on the Valutrades website under Education, where you may ask questions on all aspects of your trading journey, including the MT4 platform. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.